today the question is factor the expression using the greatest common factor. And the question is 25a plus 10b. So take the 5. So 5 times 5. 5 times 5.
What is the
25.
okay? 5 times 5 is 25. Okay.
Okay, and 5 times 2 is 10. So I take the 5 out of the
So what was your greatest common factor?
The greatest common factor is 5.
5. Okay.
So then I bring it over here.
Okay.
And I take the 5 out of the equation.
Okay.
So, and then taking the 5 out of the equation, it just leaves 5a, or 5 times a, plus 2b.
Okay. Because so now, can you confirm your answer using the distributive property? Can you confirm your answer using the distributive property?
Yes.
Okay. So that is what. How do you do that to confirm your answer?
Okay, so 5a plus 2b.
All right.
25a
Okay.
plus 10b.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, this group. Thank you to this group. You guys, I like the way you use your terminology, your math vocabularies. That you're going to factor the GCF out to solve the expression. Thank you.